Alright, we've arrived. Well, I've arrived. We've got Paul and Kinal, and we're ordering a PassApp. PassApp's like Uber. These guys, just day. So there's his little logo. So a PassApp is like what? Uber in Cambodia. So all the tuk-tuk drivers have got a app on their phone, and instead of trying to call one, you just do it on the app. And it's a predetermined price. Have a look at the app. So now it's telling us how long we've been on the ride for, and it'll charge accordingly. Geez, that's a big hat bowl. Look at it, it's huge.
Good protection.
Good protection, huh? Unlike the gangster hats over here.
Hey, show my head.
Yeah, people can see, supporting the team. Bowl, girl, this hat, understand? Ah, good. Alright, let's go. Geez, that's all trendy now. Yeah. Even here's got a bit trendy. Yeah. We're nearing the end of our PassApp journey, just over here. Have a look, how much does it say on the phone?
No, his phone.
Oh, it's on his phone. Oh, okay. So that way it takes any arguing out of the tuk-tuk experience. And I don't know if they... Alright, let's roll. Play, man. Oh, watch out. It's because this guy's parked half-assed on an angle. Everyone's kind of all over the shop. Huh? Ah, it's here. Yeah. So how much was that? $1.10. So that works out pretty good, because it means that you're not... Generally when you haggle with a tuk-tuk, it's always $1, $2, $3, $5. Where here you can kind of do it by the kilometre, which I reckon it works out pretty good. Well, if you're a passenger. Now we'll have... So here's the app. And that was the amount, 4,300 Khmer Riel, which is about $1.10. Speaking of pricing, let's have a look at the menu for starters and drinks menu. This is why Kinal gets frustrated with cocktails at home. There's 21 cocktails here, they're all $3. So you've got your standard Sex on the Beach, Zabi's, Tequila Sunrise, etc, etc. All $3. You can get them in a pitcher for $9. Pretty good. Beer tower, 1.5 litres of beer for $3, 4.5 litres for $8. Stody, jeez, why didn't you do this when you were here last? And the standard beers prices. So what's that glass in Australian dollars at the moment for an anchor glass? Would be what, $1.30. It's pretty good. Pretty tempting. What are you drinking? Passion fruit. Right. The new trend around the Siem Reap in the 10 or so minutes that I've been here so far is that a lot of places are putting in coffee barista type stations and wood fire pizza ovens. So this guy's, when it's bloody hot here, and he's got the wood fire pizza oven cracking open. Yeah, it's supposed to be, feels like 42 degrees, so I don't know how you'd stand there and cook that right now. That'd be absolute torture.
You used to it?
Yeah, you get used to it, but bloody hell. Oh, free peanuts. Someone's excited about the free peanuts, yes. Bold Georgette free peanuts. Yeah.
Nhầm đi.
Oh, no.
Thế. Đi chụp không mệt mùi à.
It's like that. Well, it's a bit smoky now. Just what you need. Jesus, we're really in the backwater here. So this is the wedding shop over here where you go get your costumes and all that sort of stuff done. I've got to get measured up. If you hear some banging, there's a guy, he's a blacksmith or something up there. And you can see inside his hut, he had a fire. It must be 1,000,000 degrees in there. I want to go look at it. I've got duties. What are we doing here?
Measurements for the wedding stuff.
Is this the costume?
Yeah.
Like this?
Similar.
Similar.
Bây giờ đây, bây giờ bán không?
Bán.
Show me the colours.
Chắc là nó sẽ có bẹt xuống mà nó sẽ ăn ăn cái gì?
Ba đến hai.
Nó vô con đi mua máu.
Đấy con
Ăn ở cái thôi.
cái kiểu khó mà có.
Phải phải sáng.
Ở được khác. Cái cô ấy được khác là cô ấy ngon ra.
Ngồi sáng. Mình ăn món sáng.
Vậy họ cái chọn cái của này trên cái cái nó rất là xa như bộ ram.
Which one you pick? How many do you have to pick?
Just a few for the pre-wedding.